But on that road I took a fall. Oh baby, why did you run away?
From your falling leaves, woven in the fabric of your tapestry.
And I barely made it out alive.
Whatever you do,
Just extremely close behind. I'm sure if I sat down and asked you, well, you really wouldn't mind. You've got those eyes that drive me crazy, and I've got eyes to watch you sleep.
I thought that I've been hurt before, but no one's ever left me quite this sore.
By the swimming pool for a while now, drowning without sound.